In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple rows in Smartsheet. We'll start by getting into a sheet, then I'll show you the fastest ways to select several rows at once so you can move, copy, delete, or format them in bulk with confidence. Begin on the Smartsheet homepage. This is your hub for creating and organizing all your work. From here, click Start a New Project, Program, or Process to open the Creation panel. When the options appear, choose a template that fits your role in company management if you want a pre-built structure with helpful columns and examples. Templates can save time and give you a clean starting point. If you prefer total flexibility, you can start from scratch instead. This gives you a blank slate to design exactly what you need. Next, choose a new workspace starting point so your items have a dedicated location. Workspaces help keep projects, permissions, and related assets neatly grouped. Select Table to create a grid-style sheet. This is the classic spreadsheet view, and it's perfect for learning row selection. Once your sheet opens, look to the far left of the grid where you'll see a slim column with row numbers. This is your selection handle. Clicking in the gray area next to a row number selects that entire row, not just a single cell. If you click at the very top of that selection column, Smartsheet will select all rows in the sheet at once, which is handy for mass formatting or quick cleanups. To select multiple specific rows, use your keyboard. Hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac OS to select non-adjacent rows. Keep the key held down while you click each row's selector area on the left. Each click adds that row to your selection without losing the others. If the rows you need are in a continuous block, hold the Shift key instead. Click the first row selector, then Shift-click the last row in the range. Smartsheet will select everything in between in one move, which is ideal for large groups. A couple of tips as you work. If you accidentally click inside a cell and start editing, press Escape to return to selection mode. If you need to clear your selection, just click anywhere outside the grid or select a single row. And before making big changes, consider saving or creating a quick backup so you can easily revert if needed. That's it. Now you know exactly how to select multiple rows in Smartsheet, whether they're scattered or back to back.